Number 1. 1952 Chrysler New Yorker 4-door sedan, $11,800, San Jose, California. This 1952 Chrysler New Yorker 4-door sedan is listed for $11,800 in San Jose, California. It is powered by an 8-cylinder engine paired with an automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive, a common luxury setup for early 1950s Chrysler models. The car shows 94,433 miles on the odometer, noted as not actual mileage, and carries a clean title. Finished in white paint, the seller states the vehicle is fully operational and runs great. As one of Chrysler's premium sedans of the era, the New Yorker is known for its solid engineering, smooth ride, and classic post-war styling. Number 2. 1967 Oldsmobile Vista Cruiser Custom, $14,000, Santa Fe, New Mexico. This 1967 Oldsmobile Vista Cruiser Custom wagon is offered for $14,000 in Santa Fe, New Mexico. The car features a new 403 cubic inch engine and automatic transmission with about 4,000 miles on the drivetrain. Unique custom touches include suicide-style doors and Cadillac taillights, giving the car a dramatic appearance. The Vista Cruiser was famous for its raised roof and glass panels, and this example adds custom hot rod styling to a classic 1960s wagon platform. Number 3. 1972 Oldsmobile Cutlass 4-door sedan, $12,500, Bella Vista, Arkansas. This 1972 Oldsmobile Cutlass 4-door sedan is listed for $12,500 in Bella Vista, Arkansas. It is equipped with a 350 cubic inch 8-cylinder engine and automatic transmission with rear-wheel drive. The odometer shows 64,000 miles, and the vehicle is described as being in good condition with good glass, chrome, and rubber components. The car appears to have had an older restoration and is finished in blue paint with a clean title, making it a solid example of a popular early 1970s American sedan. Number 4. 1981 Puma GTI 1600 Coupe, $16,500, San Jose, California. This 1981 Puma GTI Coupe is available for $16,500 in San Jose, California. Built in Sao Paulo, Brazil, the Puma GTI is a rare sports car constructed on a Volkswagen chassis with a rear-mounted air-cooled engine. This example has an upgraded 1835 cubic centimeter flat 4-cylinder engine paired with an automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive, showing 58,744 miles. With only 610 units produced, the Puma GTI is an uncommon collector car, known for its lightweight fiberglass body and sporty design. Number 5. 1985 Pontiac Trans Am, $16,500, Boise, Idaho. This 1985 Pontiac Trans Am is listed for $16,500 in Boise, Idaho, and is described as a one-owner vehicle with original factory components. It retains the 5.0-liter high-output 8-cylinder engine, paired with the original 5-speed manual transmission and 3.70 geared rear differential. The car shows 81,000 miles and is finished in blue paint with a clean title. Third-generation Trans Am models are well known for their 1980s styling and performance. Number 6. 1988 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme Lowrider, $20,000, Stockton, California. This 1988 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme Euro Coupe is offered for $20,000 in Stockton, California, and has been built as a custom lowrider. It is powered by an 8-cylinder engine with an automatic transmission and shows 93,000 miles. The car features candy blue custom paint with patterns, silver leaf, and pearl white pinstriping. It is equipped with hydraulic suspension using 8 batteries and dual pumps, along with 13-inch wheels, making it a classic West Coast lowrider style build. Number 7. 1986 Buick Regal Grand National, $20,000, San Diego, California. This 1986 Buick Regal Grand National is listed for $20,000 in San Diego, California, although the car does not currently run and will require towing. It is powered by a 6-cylinder engine paired with an automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive and shows 56,000 miles. Finished in the signature black paint, the Grand National is widely known as one of the most famous turbocharged American performance cars of the 1980s. Number 8. 1975 Chevrolet Cosworth Vega, $20,000, Grants Pass, Oregon. This 1975 Chevrolet Cosworth Vega is offered for $20,000 in Grants Pass, Oregon, and has received a full restoration. The car features a rebuilt 4-cylinder engine with fewer than 500 miles and a 5-speed manual transmission with fewer than 1,000 miles. Additional upgrades include new gauges, bushings, and exhaust, along with a roll bar, giving the car a race-inspired setup while remaining street legal. The Cosworth Vega is a rare performance version of the Vega produced in limited numbers. Number 9. 1969 Chevrolet Camaro, $16,000, Grand Junction, Colorado. This 1969 Chevrolet Camaro is listed for $16,000 in Grand Junction, Colorado. It is equipped with a 396 cubic inch big block engine and 4-speed manual transmission with rear-wheel drive. The odometer shows 151,000 miles, and the car starts and drives, although it has a carburetor issue that causes it to stall after idling too long. With a clean title, this Camaro represents a classic late 1960s muscle car project. Number 10. 1966 Plymouth Barracuda, $20,000, Tustin, California. This 1966 Plymouth Barracuda 2-door sports coupe is offered for $20,000 in Tustin, California. It is powered by the 225 cubic inch slant 6 engine paired with an automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive. The car shows 10,000 miles and carries a clean title. Around $13,000 in mechanical work was completed several years ago, including transmission conversion, brakes, carburetor, and fuel system updates. The interior is described as very clean, making it a well-maintained example of an early American pony car.